In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to play a two-player chess game on chess.com, step by step. Whether you want to challenge a friend, practice with someone you know, or just set up a quick private match, this method is simple and only takes a few clicks. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to chess.com. Make sure you're logged into your account because you'll need that to send or receive game invites. Once you're inside your dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a section labeled Play. Go ahead and hover your mouse over that option. When the menu expands, click on Play a Friend. This is the feature that lets you start a private game with another player instead of being matched randomly. Once you click it, you'll be taken to a new screen where you can set up your match. Now here's where you choose your opponent. In the search field, type in your friend's chess.com username. Make sure you spell it correctly so the right account shows up. Once you find them, select their profile. Next, you can customize your game settings. You can choose the time control like bullet, blitz, or rapid depending on how fast you want the game to be. You can also select whether you want to play as white, black, or random. Take a second to set this up based on your preference. After that, you'll see the option to send an invite. Click on it and chess.com will generate a game request for your friend. You can either send this directly through chess.com if they're online, or copy the link and send it to them through Messages, Discord, or any platform you prefer. Once your friend accepts the invite, the game will automatically start, and you'll both be taken to the chessboard. From here, you can begin playing just like a normal match, taking turns and making moves in real time. And that's it. That's how you easily play a two-player chess game on chess.com with a friend. It's quick, simple, and perfect for friendly matches or practice sessions. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.